If you have ever made website using the vibe coding tool like Claude Code or Cursor, it might have looked like this. AI made it. Generic template, boring layout, and zero personality. What if I told you I can take your website from this to this? A professional grade website which you can showcase to anywhere in the world. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 8 different steps without any coding knowledge. Without even writing a single line of code, you're going to build a professional grade website. And not only that, we will deploy the website to the internet so that anyone in the world can access your website. So hi, my name is Lakshit and welcome to this channel. Because in this channel, using AI and automation, we build real stuff with zero coding knowledge and without hiring the developer. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first step is installing the VS Code and then installing the Claude Code. So go to this website, then install the VS Code. This is how it would look like. So VS Code is nothing but this is the place where we write the code. So we won't be writing the code, the AI will write the code. Then go on the left hand side, search for the Claude Code. You will see this extension by Anthropic. Install this extension, then it will ask you to sign in. Sign in with your account, Claude Code account, and make sure you must be in the pro plan or you must have the access to the API, because in the free version you don't get the access of the Claude Code. And if you hit the limit, you can upgrade to the max plan. Once you've done the sign up, then you'll be seeing this icon over here. Click on that icon. This is the Claude Code icon. Now to make sure everything's working perfectly fine, we can write anything over here. It should give us the answer. So you can see we got an answer. It means everything's working. If it is not working, then you can go to this particular website and you can install the Claude Code inside your computer. If you don't know how all this steps work, watch this particular video where I have explained everything in detail. So once we have installed the VS Code and the Claude Code, it's time to open the folder. So in this particular folder, all our files will be getting stored. So now the second step is to have the CLAUDE.md file. So the CLAUDE.md file is nothing but it's the first file. Whenever you write any kind of a prompt, it is the first file from which the Claude fetch all the information. So CLAUDE.md file is the markdown file that give Claude persistent instruction for the project. So in our project, whenever we write any kind of a command, the first file it will look is the CLAUDE.md file. So we need to have this particular file. So you can have that particular file from my school community. You can come over here, download it and add into your system. So this is a file which is all the information which a session should remember. So we have the very brief information about our website and then all the other information. So once we have the CLAUDE.md file, it's time for a third step, which is the front end skill. And this is very important because this is the very differentiating factor between the noob website and a professional website. So now you must be thinking, what is skill? So skill is nothing but it's like hiring a consultant who is specialized in certain work. So we take the knowledge and according to that, our Claude will work. So we have all this particular website where there are tons and tons of skill out there. So in this particular website, there are 4,88,000 skill. In this particular website, there are 1,28,000 skills. And mainly we are focused on this particular front-end design skill. So we'll click on that. So now you can read about this particular skill. And if you want to install it, you can come over here, copy this particular, and then you can give this particular command to the Claude Code and it will install this particular skill for you. So as you can see, it is asking. So we'll click yes. So on the left hand side, you can see the .claude folder has been created. Inside that we have skill and front end skill has been installed. So if you open that particular skill, it is all the instruction written how to create the professional grade front-end website. So if you write any kind of a prompt over here, so the first Claude will check, do I have any kind of a skill to execute this particular prompt? If yes, then it comes over here and then get all the information from the particular skill and then use that skill to enhance its capability. So once we have front-end skill, it's time for a step 4, which is a very important step to give your brand assets. So you are making website for yourself, correct? So you should have the logo, the brand guideline and the website content. So it will help the Claude to create a website personalized for you. So now I have added the assets folder over here. Inside that folder, I have logo.png file. Then I have this brand guideline where all the information regarding the typography, brand palettes, then how the logo should look like, and other information I mentioned. If you don't want to create such kind of enhanced PDF file, what you can do, you can give all this information which is shown in the display to your CLAUDE.md file. Now I have added the docs folder. Inside this docs folder, we contain the product info. This product info is nothing but what is your website about. So your brand name, your tagline, your description, what are the core features, what are the kind of other information you want to show in the website. So all the information should be mentioned over here. Perfect. Now that we have the brand assets, now it's time to find the inspiration. So we have all this amazing website like dribble.com where we can find multiple websites for our inspiration. Then we have the Godly where there are tons and tons of websites from which you can look and take the inspiration. Then also we have awards with 3 W's and where there are so many different inspiration you can take from. So for today's video, we'll be taking inspiration from this particular website because this website is everything. This has particular good, amazing landing page, then has the information over here. Then there are how it works. There are multiple things which makes a good SaaS platform. After that, it's time for the step 6. We'll be getting the full page screenshot because we want to give information what we are seeing to the LLM. So we'll go to the particular website. right click, click on inspect. Now for the Mac, you can click on Command Shift P, or for the Windows, you can click on Control Shift P. Then you'll be getting this window over here. Search for full, then you'll be seeing this capture full size screenshot. You can click on that and the full size screenshot will be downloaded. So click on save. Now click on this particular part and you will be able to see the full screenshot over here of the particular website. Now add the particular screenshot inside the assets folder like this. So now we have done majority of the work. So now we'll come to Claude Code and write create professional website taking inspiration from. Now we'll tag that particular image which we stored. So we'll be searching for that image using the skill which we created. So we'll write slash, then search for that particular skill. And now we are done. So we'll be now entering it. And before that, make sure to do one thing. Just click on slash model and switch to Opus model, because this is a great model for creating the website. So we'll click on that. And now again, we'll be doing this part. Now again, we'll be copying from here and pasting it here and done. So now you can see it has invoked the front-end skill and now it will be doing all the steps. You just sit and relax. Just make sure to allow all the steps which is asking, because we have not turned the bypass mode on. So we'll be allowing everything because we want to see what it is doing. So now it has created the to-do. Now it will go through all the to-do, complete all the work and then let us know. So now if you see, the work has been completed. Now if you go to the localhost 3000, this is the website which it created. And you can see how professional this website look. And there is a one secret sauce which I didn't reveal. So if you go to the 7th step, we can see it is a build plus screenshot loop. And in our VS Code, if you see, we have a folder called temporary screenshot. So how it works, it takes the screenshot while it's working and identifies what is the problem. So initially it was creating in a green color. Okay, then I prompted him that you have not used the brand information like the logo and brand asset which I have given. So then it again came and it fixed the green color to the blue color. So now if you see the website, it looks proper in blue color. So earlier it was in green color. So whichever you like, you can change it. And this screenshot information is mentioned over here, screenshot workflow. And for this, it requires Puppetry to be installed in your system. So don't worry if it's not there in your system, just tell Claude to install this Puppetry using this CLAUDE.md file. It will install properly in your file. And you should have this screenshot.mjs file to be there inside your folder directory. Now, once we have this perfectly professional website, if there are certain elements or sections which you're not liking, then you can come to this website called 21st.dev. Over here, you will find tons and tons of different components whichever you want. So if you click on the background, so we have this multiple background over here. So if in our website, we want to add this particular background, so you can come, copy the prompt, go to Claude and paste this particular prompt and enter. So now it has completed the work. If you go to the website, oh damn, it look amazing. So now you can compare how it looked earlier and now how it is looking right now. There's only one small problem over here. The no credit card information is below this particular section, but no worries. You can just give the prompt. It will solve it. But damn, it looks so amazing and so professional. So like this, there are tons and tons of sections over here which you can go through for the background, border, call to action, image, maps, then the video, UI component, alerts. There are so many things. It's just that now you need to explore the things. I have given you the framework how to create the professional grade website. Now it's your job to try it out. Now there is only one problem. This website is in the localhost, but we want all the people in the world to see this particular website. So for that, we are going to use this deployment cycle, where from the Claude code, we are going to deploy that particular code which Claude has written to the GitHub. So GitHub is nothing but it's kind of a Google Docs where we write the textual information. GitHub is the place where we write the code. So now from the GitHub, we'll be auto deploying that particular code inside the Vercel. Vercel is nothing but it's a place where we host our code which we have written. So now once it is deployed to the Vercel, now our website is live. You can give that particular link to anyone in the world and they will be able to see your website. So let's go to the GitHub. Now create the account in the GitHub and this page will open. Now click on the plus icon, click on the new repository, give any name and click on create repository. Now we'll come to the Claude code and write this prompt. So now this will create the git file over here and create a git ignore file. So whatever code or images are not required, that won't be deployed over there. For example, temporary screenshot, these are not required. And there are other information also which Claude code will automatically take care of and that particular file won't be posted to GitHub. So let's hit. Now as you can see, the git has been initialized and you can see from here there are 10k file which need to be pushed, but these are the file before the git ignore file has been created. So once the git ignore file is been created, so as you can see it is getting created, this file would get reduced tremendously. So now as you can see, the git ignore file has been created and from 10k the number of file which need to be pushed has been reduced to 48. And now we'll copy this command from the GitHub and paste it here and tell push this code. So now as you can see, all the code has been pushed to GitHub. If you open GitHub and refresh the page, now you will see all the file which we created over there is been stored over here. So now we have pushed our code from Claude Code to the GitHub. Now it's time to auto deploy the code from GitHub to Vercel. So for that, go to vercel.com, sign in, then click on the add new, click on project. Now go to GitHub and copy this particular link and paste it over here. If you have not signed up with the GitHub, it will ask you to sign up. Once it is signed up, then you will see this particular page, then click on deploy. Now the deployment has started. Now you got some error while deploying, and it's great that we got some error. So in such case, just copy this whole command over here, whatever we are seeing, copy that command, paste it in the Claude Code, and it will take care of. So now once it is deployed, you can go to this particular link and it will open in your browser. So now you can share this particular link to anyone in the world and they can open this website. So I hope in this video you are able to understand how to create a professional website using 8 different steps over here. And also, once it is created, how to deploy this website so that anyone in the world can access your website. So if you like this video, please press the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.